pour que l'écho, que les paroles prononcées vous reviennent, il faut vraiment crier. Et si vous criez pas, il y a pas d'écho, quoi. Donc c'est pareil avec l'amour ou la compassion, quoi. C'est la même idée que ce soit l'amour, que ce soit la compassion, quoi. C'est de votre cœur dont il est question, de votre bienveillance, quoi. Mais bon, s'il y a pas cet amour, s'il y a pas cette bienveillance, à ce moment-là, la situation se dégrade de plus en plus avec beaucoup de problèmes, de crises, et puis bon, des gens qui sont déprimés, qui en arrivent à se suicider, qui en arrivent à poser des bombes, et toutes sortes d'autres choses relativement malsaines qui se développent de plus en plus dans notre monde partout, quoi. Et tout simplement parce que ces êtres ont le sentiment qu'on ne les apprécie pas ou qu'on ne les aime pas, et donc en retour, le sentiment, c'est qu'ils estiment qu'il y a une perte de valeur, que leur vie n'a plus de valeur. Et la seule valeur véritable, c'est celle de l'amour. On peut dire, quelle que soit la tradition, que l'on appartienne à une tradition musulmane, chrétienne, juive ou autre, la véritable valeur sur laquelle peut se reposer notre existence, c'est véritablement l'amour. Mais si, par exemple, dans une situation comme ici, s'il n'y a pas, si je ne vous donne pas, par exemple, si je ne donne pas de l'amour, à ce moment-là, il n'y a rien qui peut revenir en retour, quoi. Et s'il n'y a pas d'amour qui vient de vous, s'il n'y a pas de compassion, s'il n'y a pas une vibration, une certaine vibration qui est là, ou s'il n'y a pas une atmosphère bienveillante qui est là, quelque part, pour moi, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Ça veut dire que vous représentez pas grand-chose, vous n'avez pas grande valeur pour moi. Et donc, à partir du moment où vous n'avez pas grande valeur, ben, je peux faire ce que je veux, je peux abuser, je peux vous tromper, je peux vous tuer, je peux vous détruire à la rigueur. Ce genre de raisonnement qui est à l'œuvre, quoi. Tout simplement parce que j'aurais le sentiment que je n'ai rien reçu de vous, et ne recevant de rien de vous, vous ne comptez pas pour moi, quoi. Et c'est ce qui se passe la plupart du temps.
So it's by nature, if you don't shout, the echo will not come. By nature, it's not something, is not created that way or not. No, it's not a creation or anything. Nobody made it. It's just a nature. You have to shout in order to get an echo. If you don't shout, the echo is not there. So similarly, that if you love them, if you could manage to sort of share some happiness, then your happiness will the happiness will return. So therefore, those people who does not manage, or who does not manage to shout, that actually means he or she has no spirituality. So therefore, no matter whether you are a religious person or not, maybe you are very good at religion, religion, three meals a day, you are eating this 3 meals a day a lot, very, very diligently. Similarly, that you do three session of practice, a day, 3 session of practice, or maybe 6 sessions. Muslims, they do 6 sessions a day, 6 sessions a day. That also is, no matter where you go, in the air, in the aeroplane, in the movie theater, or in the hospital, or even in the toilet. Doesn't matter. You have to do it. No excuse. When it comes on the time, you have to do it. This practice 6 times. But we Buddhists, maybe sometimes 3, sometimes 4, sometimes 2, sometimes 1, sometimes none. It's okay. Because Buddhists are very leisure. But anyway, the Muslim, Islamic, they do 6 times. You have to do it. There's no excuses. So what I'm saying is, these are the religion. No matter what you do, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 20, doesn't matter. You have to have a spirituality. If you do not have a spirituality, then again, the echo business doesn't work. Echo will never come because you don't get to shout. So that's the thing. So then what will happen is, then that crisis comes. This is what our topic is, the crisis in this world. The world is now full of crisis. And crisis now, there are many varieties of crisis also. Some of them are, as I said before also, some of them are the man-made crisis. You know, man-made means directly man-made. Like suicidal bombers, and this bomb, that bomb. That bombers are man-made, very direct. But more or less, all the crises are man-made. But some are direct, some are indirect. But anyway, it is man-made. For example, now the scientists scientifically also, proved that this greenhouse, the weather is changing and this and that, and now the increase or the increase of the waters and this and that, the water level, ocean level increases, and all these big difficulties. Who is creating? We create. We create the pollution, for example. And we know that pollutions are not good. We know that. But we don't care. Why? Because we, how do you say? Yeah, because of temporary wealth that we wanted to have. Temporary wealth. We have no spirituality. That's what I'm saying. We are not smart enough. We are not thinking future. We just whatever we want to have it right now. That's it. We go. For example, same. We want to have a bottle of whiskey. We want to drink right now. Okay, let's go and buy and drink. That's it. That's it. We just don't have any why, should, shouldn't, yes, no, maybe, nothing. No questions. Just go and buy and drink. That's it. This is the thing that we are doing. So therefore we create a lot of pollution, for example, air pollution. So therefore this problem in the greenhouse or whatever the scientists they found out. And this is recreating that, Doesn't matter, we don't care. We don't care, we just create. This is because of the lack of this thing. Lack of the spirituality, for example. And also, landsliding, for example. Many places now they're landsliding, and the water, the flooding and all these things. Many problems are coming. And many people are dying. Thousands of people are dying and becoming homeless. Everywhere now, becoming like that. And this is also recreated, The people are being greedy, then deforest. When they have a little bit of power, a little bit of money, a little bit of solution, so they deforest everything. And they cut. And then now there's a landsliding. Many people are suffering and all these things. So this again, lack of spirituality, then causing problems. That is causing crisis. I'm talking about now crisis, okay? So therefore, if you do have a spirituality, then it is not only you, not only you become happy, but then you can share the happiness to others. And not only you are sharing the happiness to others, but you also get happiness as a return. So it's like an echo. Not only that, then for long run, for many generations, like for our son and daughter and grandson, great-grandson and great-granddaughter, everybody will have a great time because of our spirituality.